Good day, students. We welcome you to this today's session. Today we are going to learn to do model. In the model view, how to create relationship. Okay, so how to create relationship in the model view is what today's session is all going to we are going to see. Okay, so you're seeing this page in the desktop. Here in the leftmost pane, you can see report view. This is the report view where you can create powerful visualizations. We'll go to the next session and see how to create powerful visualizations through this report view. And here this is the date table view or data view. Here in this data view in the right side pane you can see the calendar lookup, customer lookup, product categories lookup. See all these table information. Here you can click in this arrow and see the number of columns inside that particular table. So these are the columns inside that calendar lookup: date, day name, day of the week, day of the month. Okay, so all the details will be there inside every table. So currently we are going to create relationship in the model view. Okay, these three views are very important in Power BI desktop. Okay, so this is one of the interview question. They also will ask what are the different kinds of views and their benefits and working functionalities in different types of views. Okay, so what we will do in the data table view, we will upload the data and we'll see all the data. Okay, so Power BI works on extract, transform and load operation. How will we do this ETL operation? By getting inside the Power Query editor. Okay, so after clicking on get data in the home option, you can click on get data to see these are the multiple ways you can upload the data, and we are uploading through text CSV. The sample data we have given in the description. You can also play around. So after clicking on the text CSV, it will ask for the which table to upload. By browsing you can upload and you can getting inside the Power Query editor. Okay, after that if you close and save, it will come and land in the data table view, which is this view. Next thing is, we have completed till this step. We have uploaded all the tables in the ETL process, and here we are going to create relationship in the model view. Okay, in the model view, here you are seeing lot of tables, like all these tables are listed here, but some of the tables are not created relationship. So let me minimize the screen and let me show you. Maximize the screen. You can maximize and minimize, and you can also minimize this from your table. Okay, now you can see the Power BI has default automatically created relationship. Okay, but you see customer lookup is separated, isolated. You have to create relationship so that you can also view the data from the customer. Likewise, for example, you want to know who is the topmost customer for your company, who has bought maximum number of products. Okay, that customer's annual income you want to take. For that information you have to link this customer lookup table to the product lookup table. Then only you can monitor the data. Then if you want to take sales data, sales is linked with this table. If you want to take this customer, how much revenue we got through this customer in the year 2021. Okay, that information also you can take, but currently we cannot take because there is no relationship between sales data and customer lookup. Similarly, which territory, see this territory lookup is isolated. So which territory, from which country the customers have received lot of products, okay, from our company Motorcycle Studio. So for that we have to link this territory lookup to the sales data. Okay, so that we have to do. So currently we have to create relationship. Okay, so there is something called as product key, customer key and all. Okay, so we have to understand what is primary key and foreign key. Okay, primary key is nothing but here in this customer lookup table, customer key will be there, and in the product lookup table product key will be there. Similarly, returns key will be there in the returns data, for example. Okay, that is what is called primary key. Okay, foreign key is nothing but if the product key is saved in the sales data. Product key actually belong to the product lookup, but the product key is saved in the sales data. In that case, we will call that as foreign key. Okay, so currently this key is very much unique. Okay, this key will not be duplicated. In that case, it will be easier to track the data, track the information. It additionally gives you the statistics, right? So for that only we are using this primary key to link between the tables. Currently we are going to link customer key with the sales data. Okay, let us click on the manage relationship. Let us there are a couple of ways that we can create relationship. Okay, anything is see, you can click on auto detect and click on new to create relationship. Preferably you should not have auto detect option, as this is a sample project. We are going through the auto detect, but we have to create relationship manually only. That is only safe and secure. Okay, it is asking for the table to link customer lookup, and the target table I am going to give sales data. Okay, customer key I am choosing, and let us search for customer key. If it is there, then only we can link. See, customer key from here to here. And always create one-to-many relationship or one-to-one relationship. I won't suggest for many-to-many relationship, because that will result in duplication. Let us check if we can create one-to-many relationship. Okay, it is not safe to go with a many-to-many relationship, but for sample purpose we can go with that for now. Okay, the cardinality, see, it is giving a warning. The cardinality you selected is invalid for this relationship. Okay, then so if in that case it will not, the OK button will not be enabled. Okay, I tried for this 3 options also, it is not working. So the default is giving us many to many only. Okay, let us try to with some other table. I will click on new relationship again. I'm clicking on the choosing the customer lookup table. I want to check if it is product lookup is having the customer information. Customer key is not there in the product lookup. So no other go, we can, for now we will go with the many to many relationship, because there are no much millions of data is not there, only thousands of rows are there. So for now, for this sample project we are going with many to many relationship. Let us check. Okay, apply security filter in both directions. For some security reasons, these all will create overload in the relationship. Okay, click on OK, and let us check if the relationship is created. Okay, customer lookup is created with this sales data. You can also click here, double click here, and see the relationship that we have created. Okay, see, this is how we have created. Click on OK. So if you want to deactivate this relationship also, you can delete it, and also you can make this inactive also by clicking on, double click on that, and if you make this relationship untick that, make this relationship active, then it will become inactive. Okay, let us create one more relationship between territory key and sales data. Here one more way is just drag and drop, search for territory key here. Okay, this way also we can create relationship. See, so here also if you double click and see, the relationship is exited, many to one relationship is created. Okay, this is safe way of creating relationship. Okay, so just click on OK, and this is how we have to create relationship. Let us create some visualization in the upcoming video. So please do subscribe my channel, and let me job